Welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovid and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove profile picture on Facebook. I will show you step by step how to doing, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go my friends. So here's what you need to do is enter on your profile here, and now we need to click here on our profile picture, and we must click with profile picture. And how to delete? You need to click here on these three dots, and you here have option like delete photo. Did you see that? Yes, it is this delete photo. We click on this, and you here have option delete. We click now, and as you can see, we deleted our profile picture. So that's all. So thanks for watching. I hope that I help you. You may leave like and subscribe, write a comment, share to others. Bye bye, and see you in other video.